We are going to make watermelon Tyrannosaurus Rex. You're just gonna, maybe on the top third, you just wanna cut off a little foot so he's not rolling around. Give it a nice little foot.
Wait, on an edge?
On an edge so that he's gonna stand up. So now, like all watermelons of the past, you gotta start with a mouth. So you wanna cut just right above the stem line. You wanna cut just a straight line.
Above the stem line.
Above the stem line on both sides.
Okay, then it looks like this.
So now it looks like this. So inspired by all of the fruits that we eat in summer, our friend Emily was cutting up a pineapple. I was like, wait, don't throw that skin away. I can use it.
It looks like Tyrannosaurus Rex to me.
It's like reptile-y.
Okay.
So we're gonna start, we're gonna put right on the side, we're just gonna use some toothpicks and we're gonna kind of like make it like a little bridge. You're just gonna tack it
Make
there.
a pineapple skin bridge.
So, okay, once you've got that, I thought his eyeballs could be little halves of oranges. These are little mandarins we had in the...
Of course you did.
We had. So you just give them a little squish.
And this is what Thursday night looks like at Jeanette's house.
It really does. It really does.
Oh, that's amazing.
There you go.
Of course it's his eye.
He's looking. So then you just kind of get creative. And you just, I mean, there's a lot of eyelids, so you just kind of keep, how's that going?
It's really bad. He needs a plastic surgeon.
He needs it. So I've got the nose pieces right here. You can tap two for you right there in the little tack.
All right.
So give him a little creepy nose, and you just kind of take the pineapple skin and just kind of keep layering.
Woo!
So now we're gonna give him some creepy teeth, and we're gonna fill him up. But actually, why I use the margarita-soaked watermelon balls with this is because after a few teeth, the kids might be too scared to reach in. So now the adults just totally the adult one. But I've got one for the kids back here.
Okay.
Are you ready to see it?
I think I need the child version. It's amazing.
Here he is.
It's amazing.
And I serve it with some skewer